Let's talk about filtering in your Bubble application. In this expression, I'm doing a very simple search for users, filtering it, and using the advanced operator, saying that this user's name is George. In this scenario, this search is going to bring all of my users to the client side because we're using the advanced operator, and then it is going to see which of those names equals George and then return a count for me. This is the wrong way to do this because it's bringing all that data to the client side and then doing the search to see which of those names contains George then. But instead, we want to do this on Bubble servers because that's safe and protected and even more faster. So what we'll do for that is we'll do our search for users, we'll filter it, and we'll do the name equals George, only using the filtered operation and not the advanced operation. So that keeps all of the data on Bubble servers safe and protected and only returns the users that have the name of George, which we then count. So by using the filtered and not the advanced filtered, we're able to execute our filters in a safer and faster way while keeping that information on Bubble servers and away from your client's browsers. So if you enjoyed this tip, please follow me for more.